So welcome friend, welcome to my channel, that is Solution of Confusion. Today I'll tell you the reasoning trick to remember alphabets one number, like A stand for 1, B 2, C 3. So without wasting time, we will start. So I know friend, you know, this is a very simple trick. First I would like to tell you this, that is ejoti. The word is very famous. 5, 10, 15, 20, and this is 25. The word is ejoti. Here E stand for 5, 10, 15, 20, and this is 25. So there are 26 alphabets. This is very easy to remember. The number of 1, 2, you can easily remember this 4 number D. Yeah, here I will write the 4. No problem to remember the 4 number, and just like this 26 also we can remember, but there is also a very simple trick. So this is 2 and 6, 26. We can also keep it in mind like this. So these you have solved the problem. Now the remaining numbers we will talk about. The F, sometimes 5, this F stand for 6. So the simple trick, fix 6. So, or if you can't remember like this, fix a 6. So the one more trick, this is, you can make like this, opposite 6. This is, so you can remember like this also, opposite 6. Now 7, you can easily see here 7, and this is 7 here, G7 or G7 summit, you also can remember like this. Summit jo hoti hai G7 summit, you can also remember like. And H, this is very simple to remember. H, you can, I think you have seen in the watches, to remember 8 always you can see in the watch in this format. So H represent 8. And I, here is I, you can you know that I know, simply we say this, I know. Otherwise you can image, you can make an image in your mind, that is like 9 number. So the one more trick is I know. So 10, J. Otherwise one more trick to remember the J represent 10, Geo, 10 number. This is J stand for 10, or you can remember like this also, ejoti, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The table of the 5 you can also remember like this. The K, you can see very simple, if we join these two lines it becomes 11. Yeah, this is one line, 1, and this is another 1 here, so 11. This is 2 straight line. How many straight line? 2 straight line. So 1 and 2. Otherwise you can make a number here also to remember in your mind. That's 1 and 2, 12. L stand for 12. Now moving on to M. Always one thing, keep it in your mind, that M opposite 3. It's like, it is 13. You can make a number here also. This is M stand for 13. And you can also remember W. W is here. So 13 we have finished with the M. So what is remaining? 23. So W stand for 23. The 2 number finished here. N stand for 14. This is also very simple to remember. 1 for 14. N, or you can also remember like this, M is always 13, so N is 14. You can make a number like this also here. I'll show you one more time. N, so you can make an image in your mind like 14. I think you understood what I want to say. N14, N14, O15, P is so you can see, I think is it clear to you, M and O. And now moving on to P. P stand for opposite 6. So 6 fix we have done. So what is remaining? 16. What is this? 16, opposite 16. So this is 16, stand for 16. And the Q stand for just 7. Here you can make a 7 here. So 7 is G submit, G7 submit. So what is remaining? Q, 17. So this is 17. R, you can make one more time 8 here. So 8 we have done with the H. So what is remaining here? 1, 8, 18, 17, 18. And one more time we can make a 9 here. Yeah, we make a 9 just like this. So 1 we can also put here. So 9 we have done with the I know, or I we can make a like this 9 also. So what is remaining here? 19. What is here? 19. You can remember like this also. And U, so the T we have done with the Ijoti, T20. T20 is also one more thing to remember, U and V. T20, UV won the match. U and V won the match, man of the match, because he make the sixer. So in 1 over, 6 in 1 over. So you can remember like this. T is 20, so it will be 21 or 22. Yeah, so 22. V you can also remember like 2. How many fingers we use to make a V? 2 fingers we use. How many fingers? 2 fingers we use to make a V. So you can remember like 2. Like this also you can remember V. And the U also you can remember with the help of what? TU, TUV, T20, UV make them runs, highest runs in the T20 match. So U is represent to 21. And the W stands for, I have told you, 23. This looks like it W, so you can keep it in your mind, this image. And the 24, these are last XYZ, you know this, XYZ, 24, 25, 26. You can also remember like this. Otherwise Ijoti 25, and here I have told you 26 Z, and the remaining is 24. So you can also make up just a figure in your mind like 24, X represent to 24, like this also you can remember. So I think guys, is it clear to you? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.